Okay, here is the Minolta Capios 115S. The overall is like this, and the bottom part here is the battery compartment. So we're using one CR123A battery. After we put it inside, go to here, pull it down to open the back cover like this, and the film we need to put inside. So here the center part got a motor, so we need to let it fit to the center part of the film. So we just slide into it from the bottom to the top. Then we'll pull the film strip to here. So actually here got an indicator show it like film tip and draw a line at here. So actually you just put the tip to here will do, and just close it and make sure that your film is flat. Yeah. After you close, it will auto lock. So when here show a figure 1, which means that you have loaded the film successfully. Next thing, by on it to shoot it. So here's the zoom out, here's the shutter, and here's the viewfinder. At the center point of the viewfinder got a bracket, so you just use that bracket as an indicator to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay, if it light up like this, which means that you just press it, it will do. Yeah. If it's like blinking or doesn't light up, which means that either the flash is charging or it can't focus. So here is to check, it's adjust the flash setting. Well, for beginner, I would recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. Yeah, and here is the timer, and this is the remote. If you have the remote, you can switch to this mode to use the remote. If not, you just put it as blank. Yeah. And bottom part here got the panorama mode. Switch it, then you look into the viewfinder, it will become narrow. Push it to let it back. Yeah. And about the time, you can on off it to adjust it. Then press the date. Yeah. After that, press the select, and it will blink. Start blinking, then you just adjust the date by yourself. This is the year. Select, switch to another one. Then this one I think is a month. Then switch. This one is the date. Okay. Then this is time. I just put it randomly. Yeah. Okay. So when you're on it, if you want like the date imprinting stuff, then you just click like different format. Like this means that it's off. If like this, it will like print the year, month, date into the film. Yeah. So overall it's like this. And when it should finish, it will auto rewind. So hope you enjoyed.